Hey y'all, if y'all want to see how I got these bomb curls with this wonderful $89 28-inch wig on Amazon with the body, make sure y'all stay tuned to this video. Hey y'all, so like I said, this wig was $89 on Amazon, 1-day shipping, and this is how it looks fresh out the pack. It is really, really nice, 13 by 6, so y'all know the routine. I did decide to bleach the knots just because I wanted a flawless install. Go ahead and layer her. So we're going to start with our front section, right? And let me back it up so y'all can see. So this is my front section, and we want it to come down like this in a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to snip and drag this way. And we're gonna snip and drag. That's it. So we want the hair to flow like this, right? So I'm gonna take my second section, go ahead and give it a comb out, do the same thing, snip and drag. This hair to just have body. So we're just doing it in sections, guys, and we're just gonna snip and drag till it's to your liking. All right, I don't want to go too short. Just a little. All right, go on this side. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna take my frontal section, all right, and we're going to just snip and drag. Take my next section. Same thing, snip and drag. So the next step would be to flat iron this bag. We're gonna curl it and then we're gonna put it on. This and this, okay, for flatten, don't judge my nails, and to curl. And I'm gonna be taking my wax stick and putting it on the perimeter of the hair. All right, so I want to show you guys how I am curling. So for my bang, right, my sides, we want to curl backwards. Curl back. All right, so I'm gonna wrap around, and we're gonna curl back. And then we're gonna clip it. You can wrap it how you want. All right, and that's what we're gonna do. Boom. All right, we also want to make sure that the curls are given. So I'm just gonna curl this like this. This one is going back as well. This is what we have. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lay this on it, and then we'll be back. y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the pins. There we go. All right, so let me go ahead and comb this back. And I don't want any baby hairs, y'all. I don't want them. I don't want them. And y'all saw me. I did the bare minimum of plucking. I haven't plucked any more than what y'all saw earlier in this video. So it looked good. Take a wide tooth comb and we're gonna go ahead and comb the curls backwards. And kind of like bump it forward. Let's go ahead and comb it out. Y'all, this looks so giving. It's giving, y'all. I'm telling you, when you go ahead and cut those layers, your hair is going to be different. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy.